love coffee.
Yeah.
I do love coffee. Hello.
Hello.
Morning. And yes, we are in the car.
Yeah, for the first time we're making a video in the car.
Yeah. So it's early morning. The sun is up, and I need my coffee.
You can grab it.
Yeah. So that's what we are doing today. We went around a lot of cafes and grabbed some famous brand coffee, some not so famous brand coffee, and we're trying them all.
Yeah, and we will try to taste it and see what's different in others coffee shops, or it's not different at all, or it's actually like cheapest and expensive thing.
Kinda.
So we'll see if it's cheapest, if it's not.
It's like, I have a hint. There's no McDonald's coffee. We are talking about the cafes, not just any restaurant that has any
So
coffee.
let's try this first.
I already started drinking this. So first one we have Bob's and Bert's. It's kind of good
Okay.
coffee. I would say it's very soft. Don't need any sugar or anything. It's not sweet, but not bitter. Like you get some
No,
coffees, like you
yeah.
drink it and
But they probably put more milk than coffee.
yeah, it's like it's latte, but it's. I opened and you can smell cow's milk. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, that's the first one, Bob's and Birds, and we should grab another one.
Yeah, we should try another
Okay,
one.
so that's Bob's and Birds, and we have another one. I'll take this cup. Still on Christmas theme, and it's from Greg's. It opened not long ago in our town, so let's try it. Let's see if it tastes good or not. Where's the coffee?
It feels like you're drinking milk only. It's more different than Bob's and Burbs.
They're all the same. I still need my coffee. I didn't have enough coffee. But no, this one is way watered down, I would say, than this one. It's like way
Way down.
yeah, way down. It's like at the point that that's not even coffee anymore. It's like you don't have any taste. So kinda, Greg's, you're not that good. It's like you're not that good. Okay, so let's grab some other ones. What we have? Some famous or not famous?
Starbucks.
Yeah. Not a sponsor, sadly. So let's see if this is like a good one.
I hear they say from Starbucks coffee it's not so good.
Really?
Some people says that. So let's try.
Well, it definitely, you can taste the milk, but it has a bittersweet, I would say.
Yeah.
The taste. It's
It-
like
it
you can
has-
feel coffee, not just milk.
Yeah, it have a taste of coffee. And you can enjoy it. It's not so bad. Like Or maybe I don't understand anything about coffee.
Probably.
So, ta-da! It's Costa!
So you can smell. Let's start from the smell. Smells nutty.
Really?
Yeah, like hazelnuts. We didn't order any like flavored coffees like you get. Only lattice. Interesting. Not that I think. I don't know.
I think I like both Starbucks and Costa. Don't you think?
I don't know, but I think Starbucks. Let me try Starbucks again. It's stronger coffee than Costa. Okay, so let me try Greg's again. Okay. Yeah, Bob's and Bert's. That's sweet. It's if you don't like coffee a lot, you know, the taste.
Yeah, like
It's,
me.
if it's too strong, that would be best. Greg's, I think Greg's and Costa, they're kind of similar.
No, you can even smell the coffee, which is in Greg's probably not so much, and you get taste of coffee.
Yeah,
in
you can
Costa.
say that the Greg's is cheaper.
Yeah, so
The cheaper coffee. So yeah. And then Starbucks and Costa. I'm drinking a lot of coffee today. You can feel a lot, very strong taste of milk in Starbucks.
really,
I don't know if it's really the way the latte is supposed to be, or it's just our Starbucks.
or just Starbucks keep not making good coffee.
You never know, maybe. And Costa. Ha! Fun fact. You know that United States of America is a very big country.
Yeah,
Yeah, but they grow coffee only in Hawaii. Ta-da!
that's
Like, the more you know, the better the coffee tastes.
long time ago was goats eating
and sheep get high from coffee. That's how people found out about coffee.
eating from coffee bushes, and
They get
that's how they find
high.
out about coffee.
They got high.
It's somewhere in Ethiopia. So
That's how they find out that you can make coffee. The time has come to decide which coffee is the best.
yeah. So what's yours?
I would say,
Costa.
yeah.
I will give the same thing. I liked much more Costa. It's a really good taste, and I don't drink coffee, but I think it's very, very good taste.
I agree. You can taste the coffee, and the milk is not that in your face. You know, I'm milk, I'm here. Next, it would be Starbucks because, well, it's still a good coffee, but I don't know what happened. But this cup, it's just like the milk is way up in your face, like too much. Yeah. Second place, Starbucks. Sorry, all the Starbucks lovers.
Yeah, and Starbucks have that nice thing. I like it. It's
So
closed
you can
and-
close it and you can actually drive around and it will not spill.
Yeah, that's good about Starbucks.
That's a very
I
that's a
think.
very good thing.
Yeah.
Then probably I would go third place to Bob's and Bert's because they're really good
Yeah,
coffee.
yeah.
They have other coffees. Probably they're better. I know that I love the black coffee of Bob's and Bert's. It's very
But
good.
if you want some coffee and we will go there all the time, mostly to drink our coffee. So
Because it's right in the middle of the center.
yeah, and
It's very good, convenient place. Also, Starbucks is quite convenient because it's drive-through.
yeah,
You don't even have to get out of the car. Bob's and Bert's third place, and sorry, Greg's.
the last place.
You
yeah.
are cheapest coffee, and you kind of know.
Yeah,
You know it's the cheap coffee. If you want like cheap, fast coffee, you in the middle of the city center, and you just like Greg's is there, and there's no other coffee shops like probably McDonald's coffee. I seen some. Sorry, YouTubers, if you see this, I'm sorry. But I seen YouTubers that go to the coffee shop with their own milk in a cup. And then just order black coffee and they pour it and it's like, oh, that's milk. Because they usually take, the fancy, expensive milks like the coconut milk. Well, you can get the coconut milk in the Starbucks now. But, all the almond milk and all the other ones, like not cow, not the normal milk. So it's gonna... We can't say the best coffee is in Costa. We can say the best latte
for our
in our little town.
Yeah,
is in Costa.
for what we decided.
Yeah, for us. Today, running on the coffee break, like driving around and then checking all the coffees. Today, this morning, Costa Latte wins.
Yes,
Yay!
Costa Latte.
So yeah, guys, if you like what we do, we check things, we try things, we burn things. we try to try the things we didn't try.
Yeah.
That's so complicated. That's why if you want honest opinion of the things that you can find in the shops, subscribe
And comment below.
After 4 cups of coffee, we will be running around like those goats in Ethiopia, all high from coffee. Can't wait! Probably we'll go to bed tomorrow.
Really?
Lucky us. Bye, guys. Bye!